We're always assessing how we look at applicants. How do we determine that they're ready to be admitted and be successful in the program? And I am thrilled to see the evolution of career and technical education. I see the students who have come out of those programs. One thing that stands out is the sense of purpose and maturity that they bring to their college experience. They come with a drive and a determination. To see that someone knows what they want to do, took advantage of that experience while in high school, applied to college and took it to the next level, it's like they're on fire. They do well, they're engaged, they know how to inquire, they arrive more than ready. If I were a director of admission today, that student in my mind would be higher on the list, if you will. So I would put a call out, I guess, publicly to my colleagues in the state to relearn what the CTE centers are offering, to understand how they amplify a student's readiness for college experience, and then also try to find a way to connect with the families and the parents to convince and convey to them the power of that for someone's life growth, their career plan, and of course their employability after they finish their formal education.